Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making some vanilla wafer cookies. They're nice and crisp, just how you get them out the store. However, mine's turned out kind of big, y'all, but that don't matter. These are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need butter, flour, baking powder, salt, a little bit of salt, vanilla, and an egg, sugar, of course. This recipe is just so easy and simple. It's like basic ABC. So we're going to mix everything in a mixer. Once we're done with this part of the video, I'll come back and tell you guys what I'll do next. Basically, this is like a base. What I realized after eating the cookie, it's like a base for other cookies. Not every cookie, but other cookies. So I wish I had some chocolate chips to add to this base because it will set it off for real. So if you have chocolate chips and you want to amp it up, or nuts, you can add it here and add it to it and it'll be just as good. So I'm gonna mix these up and I'll come right back. Next, once you're done, you want to put this mixture in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. It'll be easier to, scoop up and mess around with. And, just a better cookie overall if you let it sit and chill out in the fridge for a moment. I'm taking these bits and pieces of cookie dough off the paddle to hold down my parchment paper while I scoop the mixture. So you could use a spoon, 2 spoons, and get the cookie shape down, or you could just use the ice cream scoop like I am. I use a scoop because I wanted them to be even, and so yeah, that's what I did. You can make your cookies whatever size you want. This was the smallest scoop I had in my pack. So these are the cookies when they come out the oven. Like I said, they're bigger than I wanted them to be, but the flavor and the texture was spot on, and I'm just obsessed.